Hello everyone. So we're on the way to the dentist. If you watched the other video, you would have known my tooth broke. So yeah, about a week before we left to come on this adventure, my tooth cracked. I was eating a fudgesicle and I went to take a bite and it just broke my tooth right off at the gum. So I went to my dentist in Canada and he basically said the tooth it's not repairable. It's too close to the nerve. So he yanked the tooth out. I have no tooth. So we're in Cancun, and we're kind of south of the hotel zone. Hey, sorry for the noise. But there's a dentist up here. It's called Dentic, I think. So we're gonna go up there and see, get our teeth cleaned and see how much it's gonna cost to get a tooth put in. I think I'm just gonna go for like a denture or something temporary for now. But yeah, we're a little bit south of the hotel zone, really close to Puerto Cancun. And there's a dentist there that we're gonna go check out and see how much it costs to get your teeth cleaned and how much it's gonna cost to get me a new tooth. So yeah, we'll see you at the dentist. So as we were walking to the dentist, we're staying at a resort just a few minutes back here behind us. But as we're walking, there's a lot of security in Mexico. There's a little bit of crime here. So to keep tourists safe, there's the military, the police, and private security. And they carry automatic weapons. So as we're passing one of the other resorts, there's a gentleman there, full uniform, little submachine gun. And I asked him, I said, hey, can I have a video? And he said, no. But yeah, fully automatic weapons. And you see them all over Mexico. They're driving around, the police. They got, M16s, C7s, Canadian version. But yeah, it's pretty neat, actually. Something that you'll never see like in Canada or the US, where the military and fully automatic weapons out on the street for security. But most of the high-end places, like the jewelry stores and all that, they have armed security, fully automatic weapons, bulletproof vests, serious stuff. So anyways, the dentist is just up here. We're almost there. It was about a 10-minute walk from our resort. So yeah, I'll show you when we get up here. Okay, we're coming up to the dentist's office now. Got to cross the road here. Not like Southeast Asia. It's busy, but not like Southeast Asia. That's the dentist right over there called Dentix. I'll put the address in the comments or below the video. Yeah, we'll just wait here until there's a place to cross. There is a light for crossing, but I don't think it's valid. We just basically walked across. It's pretty busy, so they stopped for us. You can go, you go. So yeah, go. I'm not going, no, you go, go. Yeah, it's too busy on the other side. Yeah, so the cars stopped for us there. They actually put on their four-way, so they're stopping for you. Again, that's kind of, we've crossed the road a few times, that's never happened, but it is pretty busy. But in Southeast Asia, no way are you getting anybody to stop for you. Very rare anyway. You gotta kind of, frogger across the roads. Yeah, today is a little bit cooler. It rained earlier, but humidity, as I said in Southeast Asia, the humidity is always the killer. But here's the dentist's office, Dentix. So we'll go in here and yeah, we'll see how much it costs to do this stuff and how long it's gonna take. Okay, so we're in the dentist's office right now. She'll be with us in a minute. And I'll just give you a quick look around. It's nice, it's clean. The rooms for your dental, I believe, are down there. So she was also telling me for my tooth that they actually have a lab right on site, so they can do the tooth very quickly. And believe it or not, we just walked in and she said she can do a cleaning for Lindsay and I right away, and will do a mold for the tooth, and she said the tooth may be done by the end of the day. So yeah, we'll see what happens here. All right, guys, I think it's a little humidity, so it's kind of hazy. But look, I got a new tooth. Amazing. Nazi is the dentist name here, and she is super nice, speaks English, and I'm not going to give away, there is a website you can go look for prices. Nazi did make me a little bit of a special price, a little bit, but it was very inexpensive. And as you can see now, I have a tooth, and all done within 1 day. We came down here today, and we thought we'd have to set an appointment and wait a little while, but immediately got us in for the cleanings, and then got my tooth within 2 hours. It was done. So if you're in Cancun, just south of the hotel zone, and you need some dental work done, I am going to highly recommend you come to Nazi. Said great service, very friendly, speaks English, and the price was pretty good for us. So there you go. That we got a tooth. We got my tooth on like maybe day 5 of Mexico. Perfect. And it took us 1 day to do it. So there you go. That's how you get a tooth. All right, so it's laundry day. Now it's part of the travel we do, the budget travel. So I think we've been here, I don't know, maybe 5 days. So we ran out of laundry. Now, from where we were in the hotel zone, there's absolutely no laundry mats around, coin laundry. There's laundry services, I'm sure, through the hotels, but as you know, too expensive. So to get to the laundry, because we're in the hotel zone, it's so far out, it was almost like an hour walk. So we decided to take a taxi, and we tried to get the guy to lower the price a bit, but he was pretty firm. 300 pesos. So that's about $25 Canadian. And the laundromat for driving was about 6 minutes. So anyway, Lindsay's in the laundromat. I'm just out front here and thought I'd tell you it's laundry day. So yeah, and I'm loving my new tooth. You'll see videos when I take it out and don't have it, but I still can't believe we came to Mexico and got such a good price for cleaning. And I had a tooth, after they did the impression, it was about 2 hours, the tooth was done. So yeah, not bad. Here, we'll go in the laundromat. We'll see if we can find Lindsay doing the laundry. So we came to El Barada. But this was the closest do-it-yourself laundry. So here we are doing laundry. There's Lindsay over there. That's a big machine. You got it all figured out?
Yeah, she's just gonna get me soap and stuff.
Yeah. So yeah, you've seen several laundry videos, so yeah, we're probably here for an hour and a half. If anything exciting happens, I'll let you know. But yeah, laundry.
All right, we put our laundry in the washing machine. The attendant was very helpful, and yeah, we have 30 minutes to wait. She put the laundry soap in, the softener in, and everything. I don't know how much it's going to be, but we'll probably be surprised. We walked down the street a little bit to a park just by the laundromat. It's pretty. You can hear all the birds in there. I don't know if we can go in, but because there's a gate. But yeah, it looks lovely. Oh yeah, there's a path. I see it. Maybe we'll go in a little bit and show it. Yeah, I'll show you a little bit. It's very tropically in here. You can hear the birds. It's kind of peaceful in here. Away from the road a little bit. Oh yeah. And shady. I don't know if you can tell, but I've got a bit of a sheen on me. Pretty much the coolest day was yesterday, and after a storm it was actually really nice. But anyway, maybe we'll talk to you again after the laundry's all done and tell you how much it cost.
Look at these trees. That's a pretty neat tree. You see all that stuff hanging down? Yeah, very interesting. So just up from the laundry, there's like a park. And I think it could be a park for an apartment building. So we're doing laundry. There's a couple street dogs here, and they would not interact with me. So I went and bought a pepperoni stick, and look at this. Now they're gonna interact. Hey, it's okay. But yeah, it's funny. I was calling them and they had nothing to do with me. I went and bought a pepperoni stick and here they are. Break it evenly so they each get a piece.
What do you serve? 3?
Yeah.
Take that.
Hey. See, they don't. This one doesn't know I have food. Hey. Hey. Are you gonna eat it? Oh, all right. There you go. He ate it. Yeah, the white one's too scared. Is there more? Come on over. Yeah, they look pretty straggly, pretty skinny too, eh? I wanted to give it to that one because it looks like it has babies. He's too scared. Here, let me see it. You got one? Oh, you didn't see it. Here, come here, I'll take it. Come on. Hey, come on. It's okay. It's okay. He doesn't want it. It's just, he's so scared. Or she. Well, that was the one I wanted to feed because it looks like she has puppies, but she's too scared. So, yeah, we'll give it to the other one. There you go. It's okay. There you go. There. All right, we better quit feeding the street dogs. Lindsay, folding the laundry. Hey, Lindsay.
We don't know how much it is yet, though.
Yeah, we don't know. There's prices on the board right there, but it's funny because it's a do-it-yourself laundry, but you're not allowed to put money in the laundry machines apparently. So the lady has to come and put the money in. And I think she has a sheet up front where she ticks off what you're using and how much you've used. So yeah, we'll let you know. So there's the price list right there. Like I said, she's still gonna put all the money in for you. So I'm heading up to get a beard trim. I've been looking around for you know, more of a local place, like my other video, just some guy on the side of the street that's doing beard trims and haircuts. But we haven't been able to find any. And up in the tourist area, the hotel zone, you know, I didn't expect to find something like that. But we're back in Cancun again, and kind of more of a local area, and I haven't found anybody. So there is an established barber up here. He's got a shop. So we're gonna go get the beard trim done there. And yesterday we were walking. We were about half an hour from the hotel, and we stopped for some tacos at this little shack. And the guy says, you know, he spoke English. So some people do speak English. And he says, wow, you know, you're not in the tourist area, and you know, you know us. We don't like the tourist area. So I said, no, we like the local areas. But yeah. Can't find any local barber shops that are, you know, just on the side of the road. So we're heading up to this place. I peeked my head in earlier. You know, it's kind of looks nice and fancy, but I need a beard trim. It's too hot with the thick beard, so I'm gonna get it trimmed down quite a bit. And just like Thailand or other places I've been, I know it's gonna be much cooler. We've been here about 2 weeks now in Mexico, and just having trouble getting used to the heat, just sweating all the time. A couple days ago, it was 42 degrees Celsius. So I don't know how you're supposed to get used to that. I love the tropics. I love the heat, but the humidity is what's killing me. I'm just sweating all the time. So hopefully we get used to the heat pretty quick here, because yeah, 2 weeks of sweating, it's got to come to an end. But yeah, the barbershop's just up here.
Alright, Sanders getting his beard trimmed. Let's watch.
Yeah, see. So there's the barber in Mexico. And you know, I think my last video when I was in Thailand, I don't go to the barber. I just trim my own beard and let it go scraggly. So I felt kind of pampered in there, actually. But yeah, if you're in Cancun around Coba, there it is, Golden Scissors Barbershop. Yeah, recommend. Again, it's a little expensive. I think, well, not expensive. I think it cost me 20 bucks Canadian for all that. And it would be double the price in Canada, guaranteed. But what I will say is Mexico is not as cheap as you think it is. And it's not as cheap as I remember. We were here 10 years ago. But yeah, I don't know. It's almost comparable. But for that, I definitely think was well worth it. But there you go, a barber shop. Golden Scissors. I would recommend, and I think it's Julia. Great job. So yeah, there it is. And I can tell you, I'm cooler already, just getting rid of all that beard. But I think we're heading to Market 28 now, so we'll see you there.